Hello guys, what I'm going to show you is how you can fix your syncing issues inside of OneDrive, okay? Now the first step is actually going to make sure that we have OneDrive open here, as you can see. Now the first step is actually going to make sure that we have OneDrive actually open in here. So you want to go to your hidden icons and make sure that you have this icon here. And if it's not here, you just have to open the program, okay? By going into the search bar and typing OneDrive in here. Okay, and just click in there. Okay, now what you also want to make sure is that your syncing is not paused, because you can pause it by going here, by going into your settings and going into pause syncing. And if you do this, your menu is going to be like this, and then you can just tab again to resume your syncing. Now, another common issue here is that if you go to settings, you might not have enough storage, okay, and therefore your files are not getting uploaded to your cloud, okay, as you can see here. So you have to make sure that you have enough free storage here where it says storage and you have a bar here, okay. In my case, I have almost every space available, okay. Now, the other issue that can be happening here is that you're not actually logging to the correct account, okay. You might be logging to other account because you might have several accounts inside of your computer or inside of your Outlook or Microsoft 365. So you want to make sure that you go into your account and you want to make sure that this is the right account here. This is the account that you are actually using and the account that you are assigning to your OneDrive, okay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.